The government of Japan has decided to provide financial assistance in the amount of 298 million Japanese yen for implementation in Kyrgyzstan through UNICEF, the Embassy of Japan in Kyrgyzstan reports. It is noted that on the eve of the signing of exchange notes between the ambassador of Japan to Kyrgyzstan, Maeda Shigeki, and the acting representative of UNICEF in Kyrgyzstan, Yulia Oleynik, took place in Bishkek. The project is aimed at supporting 460 school institutions affected by the epidemic of a new type of coronavirus infection in the safe resumption of the education process and school management through hygiene training and the provision of equipment for the prevention of infections, as well as ensuring equality in education through the implementation of a follow-up program for children who didn't have the opportunity to fully participate in online education during the school closure period. It is expected that within the framework of the project, about 200,000 children and 10,000 teachers throughout the country will have access to equipment for the prevention of infections and improve hygiene skills, as well as about 20,000 children will improve their academic performance by completing a follow-up training program for children. The government of Japan hopes that the provision of assistance in the field of education through the implementation of this project will contribute to the restoration of social infrastructure, increasing the standard of living of the population of Kyrgyzstan.